We are Annalise and Jordan and we are road tripping through Spain. We crossed the border! This week we climbed the most beautiful landform on the entire Mediterranean coast and it was scarier than expected.
Welcome back to another vlog, guys, and today we're going to be hiking up Calpe Rock, but we have a problem. It does say you have to have an appointment and we don't have one, so we're going to go to the information desk and see if they'll let us in, and that is where we're heading to, the top of here. The views from here, look at that, are absolutely stunning. But Annalise thought it was funny to tell me that that was a meteorite that fell out of the sky and landed there. So
no, but he actually believed it.
Me thinking that it was true, went on Google to have a look and it's nothing to do with that. Idiot. Don't trust her. So I'm no expert, but from what I've read, it was two tectonic plates rubbing against each other, and then this was the bulge that come out between it. Now, correct me if I'm wrong in the comments, but basically that's what it says on Google.
So, Jordan could be wrong, but I don't know. On the sign it says that the rock was formed under the sea over 150 million years ago.
I think this is the route we are going to be taking from here. And we're going to make our way zigzagging all the way across round to this point here, which is the highest point. We're at the information centre, which is there. Let's go and see if we can get in. These toilets are open. Drop kids off at pool. Oh, that's a cracking view from a toilet. Put it that way. Annalise has gone into the information centre. Fingers crossed. The problem is online it says you need your passport to put all your information in, but we don't have our passports with us, so that's not an option. I got my driving licence. Annalise hasn't got anything with her. Look at this one patiently waiting. It's been in a while actually, at least 15-20 minutes.
Well, that was a bit of a nightmare. We had to fill in 2 forms online. It said that you needed a passport. Managed to get around it because we don't have anything with us. But yeah, let's go, we're all sorted.
Spot on.
Got our certificates.
Let's start the hike.
Route.
You bloody ming. Oh, can't you? So the flamingos are there. I don't know if the camera picks it up, but look how clear that water is. You finished moaning about your view? Here we go. So guys, if you don't know, you have to go through a tunnel part way through the rock and then it starts on the incline then. So we're not even on the incline yet. But wow, there's something about hikes abroad compared to back in the UK. They just hit differently.
I don't trust it.
Can I get a car? Yeah.
Jesus! The rocks are well slippy.
What a hike this is. I mean, the path's got a little bit wider here now, so that's good. No chains on the wall, which means Probably the path's a lot wider, but carry on going up, eh? If you're wondering what it's like for a dog, Lily's actually really good when we're hiking. It's like a little mountain goat. She just carries on going. Sheer drop to the left of it. Carry on up.
Not holding my breath yet. But I didn't even know you were recording then. They make it out, I think, a lot worse online.
Yeah.
I don't think it's like scary, but
no, there's only literally that bit you'll see on the video where I was right near the edge.
I mean,
and they put chains in, like, so you can hold on. So if you did lose your footing, you'd be all right, like.
But up to now, I think it's
not too
like,
bad,
I was
is it?
panicking with the dog. I was like, oh, we were debating leaving her in the van. I thought, oh, but she's absolutely fine. She's like a bloody mountain goat.
She's flying up as well. She's got a harness on. She's clipped onto Annalise, and she's got a belt on as well. So if she did slip off or what have you, she'd just be hanging off Annalise. Just keep hold of that chain, just to make sure. All I can see is your bum on the camera. Right. Keep going. The camera picks it up, but it's just sheer drop all the way down, and that's why they put these chains there, just so you can grab hold of them. Woo. Oh, can't wait for a drink when I get to the top. It's gone nice again here, it's quite flat. Still a way to go yet, guys. Just need to get to the top there, and then we're there. Anyone wanting to know, get yourself a Bichon, they're like a bloody mountain goat. Annalise?
She's brilliant, isn't she?
She is brilliant. This is this next ropey bit you get to.
Yeah,
got these,
what I said before.
Got these chains, and then obviously sheer drop behind you. So if you are coming doing this hike, just take care, take your time. There's no rush to get to the top. Yeah, bring plenty of water as well, and just make your way up. Just take your time on that next section. Just keep tight hold. There, that divot's in the wall, yeah. So if you can get one foot in, you can get your other foot around the back. What do you think about that section then?
It's scary.
It is a bit scary,
I'm
right?
pooing my pants. I'm looking down.
Ooh, oh mate, don't look down.
Oh.
Yeah, don't look down. This is madness. Just the type of scale, that is the drop, that's my foot. Like, it is really, really steep. And at least it just got through with the dog. All these birds have just come out out of nowhere. Whoa. And we're still not at the top yet. What do you say about some parts of that?
Ropey.
Very sketchy, innit?
Scary. I was shaking. Very scary.
There was some quite big drops and narrow parts as well. There's the top there. We're here. We've made it up.
Wow.
The trig point is just over there, and the views are absolutely stunning. Check that out. So we're back down safe, guys. Don't underestimate that hike. Definitely don't underestimate that hike.
That was so tough.
Yeah, it's not as easy as what people say it is. Some people say it's hard, some people say it's easy. The beginning bit, yeah, fine. When you get towards the middle section and then the end, really steep, really slippy as well underfoot. But yeah, we're down, we're gonna go and get some food because we are hungry. We've just been saying, like, even though we've done that hike, we still feel like proper energized. But look at that, like from down here.
Honestly.
That is nuts, isn't it?
The past few weeks since we've been here, I've just felt dead tired. I think it's the sea air, the sun, and I've literally just felt so sluggish. And today after doing that, I just feel so awake, like so much energy. It's weird.
Let's go and get some food, eh? Oh yeah. That was mega.
How do we do it?
Right, let's smash this in. That's insane, isn't it?
Why have you put 2 spoons here? It's mine.
Go on, taste test. Good.
Amazing.